Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Cindy Jimenez. I am the collaborative group 5510-1910 for Language, Forms and Functions, Tax 6 Final Exam. In this opportunity, I'm going to talk about derivation. So let's see what is derivation. Derivation is the process of forming a new word for an existing word, often by adding a prefix or suffix. But what is a prefix and what is a suffix? Let's start with prefix, okay? Now, prefixes. The prefixes are affixes which attach to the beginning of roots. So, let's see some examples for prefixes. Let's take the root code. If we add the prefix D, we will get the code. In this moment, the meaning of the word code changed because now is the opposite. Let's see another example. Let's take the word justice. If we add IN, the prefix IN, we will get injustice, and the meaning has changed. The same will happen with the word possible. If we add I am, now we will get impossible. For regular, we will get irregular. Other example that we can see is using the prefix on to the beginning of the word friendly. And now we will get unfriendly. That means that it's not friendly. If we see, we have changed the meaning of this word using prefixes. Now let's see suffixes. Suffixes are affixes too, but we attach the affix to the end of the root of roots. So let's see this example for suffixes. Remember, now it's at the end of roots. So let's take the verb assist. Now it's a verb, but if I add suffix and, we will get assistant, and now is a person. Let's see other example. Full is the suffix, and the root or is beauty. If I add the suffix full, I will get beautiful. That means full of. Let's take another example. Let's say less. Less. If we have the word care, and if we add the word less, the suffix less, we will get careless. That means that something is without. So that we can see in this example is that affixes change the meaning of the root. So let's verify the functions of these derivational affixes. Derivational affixes have two functions. One is to convert one part of the speech to another, like we already saw, and the other is to change the meaning of the word, of the root in this case, and they precede the inflectional affix. Remember, derivational change the meaning of the root, the meaning of the word. And they are different to inflectional affixes. Let's see what is an inflectional affix. Inflectional affixes are suffixes, yeah, but they don't change the meaning of the word, but they change the functions of this word. Also, they indicate grammatical meaning, follow derivational suffix or suffixes. Let's see these examples. We have the word horse. If we add the suffix s, we will get horses, and now the word is plural. At first was singular, now it's plural when we add the suffix s. If we want to show the third person singular verbal inflection, we have the verb like. If we add the suffix s for the third person, we will get like. Now, if we want to show possession, to marry this example, we add apostrophe and s, and we get Mary's. An example for this Mary's could be Mary's house. Now it's a possession. You can see the possession there. Now, if we want to indicate grammatical meaning, so if I want to talk in past tense, I take the verb, in this case, walk. If I add the suffix ed, I will get walked. Now, if this imports in past participle, I have the verb eat. If I add the suffix en, I will get eaten. And the same will happen with the progressive. And now with comparative and superlative, we can see the suffix er and est up to the end, and now the words brighter or brightest. So it's very important to distinguish the difference between derivational and inflectional affixes, because derivational changes the meaning of the word, while inflectionals indicate grammatical meanings and they don't change the meaning of the word, but change the function of this word. So that's all. If you want continue checking this topic, you can verify this reference at the end of this video. That's all. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day. Thank you.